What have we got here? Some wings? And some fries. Oh my. Howdy, y'all. So, welcome back to another food tasting with Griddle Porn. Today we are at Snob. Blah, blah. Wing Snob in Mount Prospect, Illinois, a suburb of Chicago. And there's my receipt. I was just gonna order some wings and maybe some corn. They have street corn that sounded pretty good, but this place is just opened, and they're like, here, no, take this and this and this. Okay, well, I'll get some tenders to take home to the fam, and it was $15 or something. No, $5 maybe. No, $15 for just 5 pieces of tenders. And I said, but if you let us add fries, it's only $10 and a drink. So okay, I did that. They have tons and tons of seasonings and flavors. This is a franchise, I believe. I talked to owner/manager, nice guy. He's very happy to get our business. I don't know what I got. I just started throwing out flavors, and they said okay and threw it in the box. I do know these fries are chicken and waffle sauce, which I should have gotten on chicken. Like I said, I just started throwing out names and stuff. In fact, that's not bad. That'd be good on chicken. It's sticky because it's like a honey sauce, but the fries are good. Here's their list of sauces and awesome sauce, garlic parmesan, teriyaki, buffalo ranch, buffalo parmesan, sweet chili, hot AF, Jamaican jerk, sweet heat, Nashville hot, and Cajun. I got the Cajun dry rub because I like Cajun dry rub. They have extra snobby. I don't know what that is. They have chili and chili cheese fries. They have pretzel bites, cauliflower wings, but this is the Cajun. Good seasoning. There's people walking around me. Slightly overcooked. Slightly. He made the manager, owner, whoever he was, made sure I knew nothing was frozen, everything's fresh. So, I also got, they have chicken sandwiches. And this is a chicken mini sandwich. It's a Nashville hot chicken mini sandwich. Good seasoning, good tender chicken. They marinate their chicken overnight. Wash it down so I can talk. It's good. It's not overpowering. It's can't say it's a mild Nashville, but it's a not overpowering, which is perfect. I like to actually taste the food and not just the heat. So that's a thumbs up. The what did I say the wings were? Oh yeah, the Cajun. Same with the Cajun. It's not overpowering. It's just got a nice little heat to it. So, and they got El Scorcho flavors and all that. I don't know what I did with the thing with the flavors, but it's way better than a KFC chicken mini or whatever they call theirs, chicken little, and everything's about the same price. So this is a winner. It's a thumbs up. Not the absolute best chicken I've had, but it's good. There's a CK Chicken, a Korean chicken place that's so far the winner around here. One in Niles and one in Schaumburg, I believe. Theirs is phenomenal. This is a good second place. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.